title of the project is Wind Vehicle. My name is Komala and my roll number is 66A7. Coming to the problem statement or need statement of our project is that we have considered constructing such a vehicle because after considering some scenarios from the rural areas which are there is no proper transportation in the villages, and even if people can afford the vehicles, the maintenance costs are so high. And coming to the urban areas, there is a lot of pollution created by vehicles which are running on the fuels and diesels. Means people are literally pouring lots of money on petrols for buying the pollution, which in long term creates global warming and such scenarios. Hence we have come up with a wind vehicle solution.
The existing solutions of our project is Ventomobile. In Ventomobile, in 2008, a group of students, German students, built this, and in this 2-meter turbine placed in vehicle with the 2 blades to produce high power, and it is similar to bicycle with 3 wheels.
Next, coming to the other existing solution, Blackbird. It was demonstrated in the 2010 and it runs downward faster than the wind, and the rotor is connected to the moving wheels. Next, coming to the gaps in existing solutions, and it is expensive and too heavy to use in the daily usage, and they are still in experimental stage, and this means they didn't come to the market, and high upfront material used, battery backups are very expensive.
To fulfill those problems in the existing solution, we come up with the idea wind vehicle. Wind vehicle is basically runs based on wind, so it doesn't cause for pollution. It is eco-friendly, and it can travel how far we want, and also it is very useful for the remote people, those are rural people, because in some areas there are no petrol bunks. So here is the vehicle which is this vehicle doesn't run on vehicle, it mainly uses the wind energy. For that we use the components like turbines, batteries, and vehicle body, and also generators and motors. Here these turbines are rotated by the and the batteries store the energy, and by using that energy the vehicle moves forward, and also motors are used for the movement of the vehicle, and generators which are converts the wind energy into the electrical energy. Thank you.
Coming to the working procedure of our project, whenever we travel with a small energy like from battery, it will take a small energy and it will move in forward direction. When we are moving the forward direction, due to the wind energy, the kinetic energy was developed at the turbines. Due to kinetic energy, these turbines will rotate, and again these turbines produce an electricity due to the generator, and this electricity will consume into the battery. In this way, our project will be implemented.
In conclusion, the vehicle is very eco-friendly, and it is also very helpful for the people who are living in remote and rural areas, and it is also this vehicle will be a great replacement for the vehicles that are running on fossil fuels.